Many of you might know Dr. Marcia Angel, and many of you may remember when she resigned as the editor of the New England Journal of Medicine. When she resigned, this is what she said: "It is simply no longer possible to believe much of the clinical research that is published, or to rely on the judgment of trusted physicians or authoritative medical guidelines. I take no pleasure in this conclusion, which I reached slowly and reluctantly over my 2 decades as an editor of the New England Journal of Medicine." No lightweight, Dr. Marcia Angel, she was one of Time's 25 most influential women. She was a professor at Harvard. Well, her statement has just now been corroborated by another editor-in-chief of one of the world's best-known medical journals, The Lancet. And he stated, half of all of the literature is false. This was his statement. Dr. Richard Horton, current editor-in-chief of The Lancet. This is what he just recently stated. The case against science is straightforward. Much of the scientific literature, perhaps half, may simply be untrue, afflicted by studies with small sample sizes, tiny effects, invalid exploratory analyses, and flagrant conflicts of interest, together with an obsession for pursuing fashionable trends of dubious importance. Science has taken a turn towards darkness. Here you have two highly respected, renowned, reputable sources telling you that science, the literature, is false. And that is very unfortunate, because science has taken a turn towards darkness. What's really unfortunate is that there are a whole lot of people who still believe. The men and women who wear white coats, who have degrees on their walls. They still listen to their doctors. And unfortunately, a whole lot of people are having their lives destroyed. You think about the psychiatric medications. You think about the vaccines. We are living a very dark time, a time of great deception. And what it means is that no one should be relying on anyone else but themselves. They need to do the research themselves and make their own best judgments. Certainly about their health. No one else should be telling you what to do in terms of taking care of your own health. I will link below to both of these articles, but I will also link below to this fabulous video, The Truth About the Drug Companies lecture, Dr. Marcia Angel. And she goes through and rips apart Big Pharma, because Big Pharma is actually behind most of the articles in those journals. They pay people to write them. So I hope you watch, and I hope that you circulate this video. It is very important. And I hope you're all doing well. Have a great night, guys.